Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video I am trying to solve some Windows problems. This is called general maintenance of Windows. If your window based computer is starting very slow, then you have to clean temporary files and folders using commands as shown in this video. After clean of the temporary files and folders, you have to increase the virtual memory size by help of previous YouTube video, which link is given in my description box. Guys, if you are not subscribed my channel Computer Errors and Actions, please subscribe it. First, open your computer and press the Windows key and R, where the run command will come, and type here run, or then clean the tab files, select all and delete all. Just you see, and second command like this, Windows plus R, then percentage time percentage, then press OK. Select all file and folders. It must be deleted. Yes, continue to delete all the files. Some of the files may not delete because it is virtually running. Then you can skip or cancel. Then like this, press Windows plus R to run, and here type reset and delete all the file and folders. You see, it is just deleted, and delete all the things. Then like this, go to this run command and here prefetch and press OK. Continue and select all the file and folders and delete it. Yes, there may be some file not be deleted. Okay, all these completed. Then if the virtual memory is slow, you just go to the settings where virtual memory you can increase. Otherwise you can see my previous video which is given in my description box. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks as you watch my video.